Hi guys, this is me Kabin with YottaCube. Today I am back again with my next video. In this video I will show you how we can calculate a dynamic top n with others in Power BI. I will show you two different ways of calculating the top n. First using the calculated column, whereas second using measures as well as calculated table. Now let's go through Power BI. Okay guys, I will show you both the ways of doing this. Here in this first method I have used the calculated column. So now let's create a calculated column in the product subcategory table. I have already created in here. I will just explain what I have done. And here I have used rank x function to rank the product subcategory according to the total sales value. And then I have compared that value with a user input. If rank item calculated value is less than 10, then display the product subcategory name from product subcategory table, otherwise just display others. It is just that simple. We created product subcategory with others column here. Now we will use this column to create a new table. Here we will drag just calculated product subcategory new column into the rows. It already listed top 10 product with others in here. Now what we need to do is just drag the total sales amount here. Now you can see the top 10 product with others here, and if we want to expand this other, we need to add product subcategory name column from here to rows. Now we can expand this other. All those products which are not included in the top 10s are now placed in others. We can see that just by clicking the plus sign in here. And this is it. We have created a top 10 product with top n. Okay. Using this method, we cannot get the dynamic value using this top n filter. We need to change the value manually from here. If we want to see the top 15 product, we have to change here value, and it will show the top 15 product here and remaining into the others category here. We have to do that manually, but what we want is we want this filter to work. If we click here, we want to change the value of top and dynamically. When we click 10 value here, it has to list top 10 products and others remaining into the others category, right? And 15 product and remaining into the others category. We want something like this, okay? But we cannot do it using the method we used before. So I have used another method in here, which I will show. Now let's go through the steps for calculating the top n value dynamically using calculated measures and calculated table, okay? First, we will create a calculated table, which I have already created here. What I have done is I have added a new row with others value into the product subcategory table. After creating a calculated table, we will link this newly created table with product subcategory table, the original table. To do that, we'll go into the data model here and link these original product subcategory table and product subcategory with others table. To do that, we will link this using the product subcategory key. Okay, we have just linked these two tables. Now we will create a new measures which will calculate the top n products with others. For this, there is several lines of code. I will explain you what this will do. Okay. Here variable item, this variable, it will take the product subcategory name from the new table we just created, and these items with value, this variable, it assign value to each item so that we can assign rank to each items. This step will do that using rank x function, and then in these steps we are comparing that rank with the dynamic value we'll choose from the top n filter. If this calculated rank is lesser equals to the assigned value, then it will show items. Otherwise it will just so others. Here in this curve, we are using this filter to filter out the final items. First condition will do that, whereas this second condition, we are using this condition so that it works perfectly fine with drill down. Here filter out means this code, it will look for not displaying the duplicate products which are already into the others category, or which are listed in the top N category into the others category. Finally, we will calculate total sales using a treat as function. How treat as works, you can see it in other videos. Finally, it will calculate top N values with others. We have already done all the things we need to do. Now what we need to do is drag newly calculated values in the table. Okay, here one thing you need to consider is, now we will not be using this product subcategory table, the original table. Here we will use the product subcategory name from the newly calculated table, so that it will show others. So we will drag product subcategory name from here to the rows. Okay, it displays all the products, and then we'll drag the dynamic measure we created to values. Yeah, look at it. And now it displays top 10 products with others category. Okay. It is already showing top 10 values with other category, because here in the top N value I have written a code. If no value is selected, then it will automatically show the top 10 values. So it is already showing the top 10 values. And now we will add a filter here. Here it is automatically showing the top 10 values, right? What if we want to see the top 5 value only? Then we just need to click here. It is showing top 5 values with others. It is showing top 15 values with others, top 20 values with others, and it works like this. And one more thing, if you want to see what are listed in the others category, what you need to do is just drag a product subcategory name from original table to the rows, and if you click on this, it will show all the remaining products into others category. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. In the comment section below, write how it was and what you want to see in my next video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.